Young people should actually take the leads because we are the leaders of today. And believe me, we are the ones that are going to experience the much effects. And so if we don't take up the action now, and if we don't take up the leads now, no one will actually take up the lead for us.
My name is Beatrice Piri. I'm 22 years of age. I live in Kabanana, Lusaka. I'm a climate change activist and a co-founder of U-Return Foundation Zambia.
Basically, U-Return Foundation is an education and environmental organization where we'll be training sustainable climate champions. A part where we actually passed through, I got to see a number of plastic waste in the water. I think it's always disheartening to get to see someone throw waste. I always want to try and to understand them so that I can actually help them understand the environment. The idea of U-Return is to collect waste from different companies and also from different malls. So after selling that waste to recycling companies, we get to buy learning and study materials for less privileged kids in Lusaka. We believe that if children actually trained from a younger age in environmental issues, they'll be able to share that with not only their friends, but they'll also grow up responsibly.
2012, we had a protest, and this protest was about the constitution. The president, by then the late president Michael Chilufya-Sata, said, "Whoa, young people actually protesting illegally, please put them in the cell." And so I was among those that was actually taken to the cell. I was 30, I was young, I was scared to go to the police. I thought, okay, I'm no longer going to do activism anymore. This is the end of the journey. 2 years down the line, I went back because now I got to understand more about what activism and advocacy is, and I also got to understand like the legal framework. John Lewis said, good trouble, necessary trouble. So if it's necessary for us to take up an illegal protest that involves the well-being of society, then we have no choice but to take it up. So sometimes illegal can actually be necessary.
Young people are vibrant, young people are solution oriented. And so this is why young people should take up the lead, because if they don't do it now, how are they then going to be leaders of tomorrow? They will actually be leaders of a worse crisis.